Welcome to Old Town San Diego. Very historic place. Weather is just gorgeous. Taking advantage of this beautiful sun. First public school in San Diego County. So they have these really amazing tortillas. They're pretty fresh. I'll show you guys. I think I'm gonna end up eating a cafe coyote. Give me a margarita, some tacos. Hey, we'll go on? Yep. Thank you. Fresh tortilla. So good. We're about to pass the Whaley House, one of America's most haunted houses. Some beautiful houses here. Look at this house right behind me. It's so amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the Old Town tour.